Stop by and take a look at the 2017 F-250 Super Duty. Head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-250 Super Duty. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, tire pressure monitor, blind spot monitor, power retractable running boards, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, brake assist, stability control. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.